अस्सलामुअलैकुम। वेलकम टू परवाज़ एक नई उड़ान। इस चैनल पर आपका इस्तकबाल है। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी विल लर्न 10 लाइन्स ऑन डॉक्टर APJ Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam was the 11th President of India. APJ Abdul Kalam was born in a small town called Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on 5th October 1931. The full name of APJ Abdul Kalam is Abul Pakir Zainul Abidin Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam won the prestigious Bharat Ratna Award in the year 1977. APJ Abdul Kalam to sell newspapers in his hometown Rameswaram in Tamil Nadu. APJ Abdul Kalam is fondly remembered as a missile man of India. The United Nations in the year 2014 declared October 15 the birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam as World Students Day. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam passed away on May 27, 2015 while delivering a lecture at the Indian Institute of Management, Shillong. APJ Abdul Kalam has received many prestigious awards such as Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan and Padma Bhushan.